Good morning, doctor and everyone. We are group 15, and today we will talk about analysis of TV commercial. And the title that we choose is IHB Raya 2024 Lembara Baharu. So first, we will talk about introduction of IHB Raya 2024 Lembara Baharu. So we will choose IHB Raya 2024 Lembara Baharu as the research video of this assignment, and we will explain these three features such as culture specific, cultural general, and intercultural interaction from this video commercial. So Lembara Baharu is a TV commercial from IHB Bank to celebrate Hari Raya Aidilfitri Festival. The film was created by FCB Sharp, and the story of this video is adapted from an unforgettable case that happened in 1988 from Malaysia. This story is about Asman Zaharu as a lawyer helping a woman who had stolen a pencil case as a gift to her son who had ranked number one in class. So now we will talk about cultural general. I believe motherly love is one of the cultural genre of this film. Although different cultures have different characteristics, but the love from a mother must be the same thing all cultures have in common. So the first thing we found in this video is motherly love. The Indian mother decided to take the risk of being caught to stealing the pencil box in order to keep the promise she made to her son Sadi. Even though she knew that stealing was wrong and illegal, but which mother in the world wants her children to suffer? Even the lawyer Zaharu was mentioned that all mothers in the world love their children in court. So he asked the young Arif to reduce Sadi's mother's sentence to a good behavior bond and avoid 7 years in jail. Even though we are a different races, but I believe that we all have something in common that stems from the beauty of humanity. So the next thing we found in this video is sympathy. When Zaharu went to the primary school to get Sadi's result transcript from Chakuli as evidence that Shadi got number one in the school. The expression of other teachers present who were also worried about Sadi's mother. So young Arif learned about Sadi's situation and officially wrote the Shadi's mother could have her sentence reduced. Everyone, including Jakuli, was delighted with the ruling. Even though the characters mentioned above are all of different races, but everyone was touched by the story of Shadi's mother and sympathized with Shadi's mother experience. I believe the sympathy all the characters have for Shadi's mother is cultural general from this film. The second point cultural specific in this video is EID, Hari Raya Aidilfitri. So Hari Raya Aidilfitri, also known as EID, is one of the most important holidays for Muslims in Malaysia. EID is a time to celebrate faith, thanksgiving, and forgiveness with family and friends. So it perfectly fits the theme of the video Lembaran Baharu. So Hari Raya is mentioned at the beginning and end of the film to emphasize the theme and meaning of the film. Next, we can see in this slide have three scenes. In the scene one, lawyer Zaharu repeatedly stressed in court that the Indian mother knew she was wrong and that she only wanted to spare her child. So he asked Judge Yang Arif to reduce the sentence. So in the second scene, in a very silent tone, he repeated his fear and hope that the Indian could be forgiven and give a chance to start over. And we can see that in the final scene, an expression of Zaharu's sincerity gave the woman a second chance and inspired her son to follow in Zaharu's footsteps and become a lawyer who helps others for forgiveness and get opportunities. So we know that Lembara Bahalu is an emotional and true story that resonates with the audience and exemplify the cultural values and purpose of EID. So that's my part, and now I will pass to my group mate.
Next, I would like to speak about the intercultural interactions that happen in our video. First and foremost, the intercultural interactions appeared in these videos are for commercials with different race. It is a Hari Raya celebrations video, but in these commercials videos, it consists of various race, including Malay, Chinese, and Indian. in the story, the commercials has also shown not only Malay, but other race that celebrate together Hari Raya Aidilfitri, especially the especially the Indian boy who actually became a lawyer after then, which has shows intercultures in Malaysia. These Malaysians has also drawn us Malaysians together and to show others that we are from Malaysia. For examples, we can see on the scenes that shows Chinese as our Chief of Justice, which is it is quite uneasy to show these things in the commercial videos. Another another examples you can see is this scene shows Chinese and Indians are celebrating the Aidilfitri, Hari Raya Aidilfitri in a ceremony. Next, I would like to talk about the acceptance between race. These stories are mostly about a Malay lawyer's willingness to help an Indian mother after she stolen a passion case and caught by police, but during Hari Raya season. But the lawyer give up on his Hari Raya celebrations, but just to help this Indian mother. It is a few scenes that let us show that the acceptance between race by not having discriminations. You can see on our examples. This is our next examples, which Encik Zaharil, the lawyer, needs some help to solve the case of stealing pencils case, and after he knew that he had to act on behalf of the law. We can see that the Chinese teachers helping him by borrowing some books for reference purposes. And that's the end of our presentations. Thank you, and this is our reference for the analysis of the video. Thank you so much for your attention.